Model, 2013 Ford Transit T350 long wheelbase, high roof 2.2 TDCi rear wheel drive spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 142,400 MOT, the 13th of November 2023 engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCi-A transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine runs good on easy start does not start on the key posible AQ fault condition summary, bodywork is in average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is average. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, some service history EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,495. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.